Christmas tree staff. Yo, like, chat, why are these weapons so expensive, man? Like, why are they so expensive? Look at that. I mean, the crown's cool. Why are they all so expensive, man? I can't even get them all. So ridiculous. They do this shit on purpose. They do that shit on purpose, chat. Chilled axe. Kind of cool. Well, I have to get these. I have to get the white. I have to get the white. The icy would be cool too. I gotta do it, chat. I gotta get the cool hoods, man. Gotta get the Grim Reaper hoods. Frost Dagger looks kind of cool. Prowlers. Yo, that... You have to buy these separately, chat? Yo, they're fucking up the church's money big time. They are fucking up the church's money big time with that shit. I actually have to... Chat, that's crazy, bro. Crazy talk, chat. Crazy talk. I can't even get all this stuff, man. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, let us buy tenders, Blizzard. Start selling us traders tenders, man. Come on. Like, it's fine. Just let us buy them. I mean, like, the Christmas stuff is cool, but I don't really need it. The crown would be kind of sick, I won't lie. But I would really like... Man, that looks cool, too. What is that? Priest, Mage, Warlock? That's pretty cool. Don't need that. Definitely going to be saving up for that.